full of cash. I could keep it, but that wouldn't be right. I must return this.
Son, we found a wallet on the bench. We need to return it to its owner.
Always be honest, Tom. Honesty is important. Yes, this is the address. Hello, is this Mr. Lee's home? Excuse me, sir. I found your wallet in the park.
Thank you so much. I was so worried.
You're a good kid.
No, thank you.
Come in for tea.
Sure. Honesty is its own reward.
And they became friends.
Now let us discuss the vocabulary used in this video. Vocabulary. Honesty. Honesty means quality of being truthful. Relieved. Relieved means feeling happy. Profusely. Profusely means in a very great amount. Reward. Reward means given in return for good deeds. Determined. Determined means firm decision. These are the most important vocabulary used in this video. You can remember these words by heart so that whenever you will read the newspaper or you will speak to another person, these vocabulary words will be beneficial for you. Now let us discuss the grammar structure from this video. This video is in the simple past tense. So we have used different past verbs and structures. So let us discuss one by one. Past simple tense used for completed actions in the story, like Tom found a wallet. This was the story, Tom found a wallet, and we are now discussing about the past simple tense used in this video. Explanation. The past simple tense describes actions that happened and finished in the past. Those actions which have been finished in the past are generally taken in past simple tense. The formula of past simple tense is very easy. First of all, we put the subject, then we put the verb with ed form. Means the second form of the verb is used whenever we'll make the sentence in past simple tense. Then any object will be used. Extra examples. She visited her grandparents last weekend. They ate dinner at a restaurant yesterday. He lost his keys on the way home. We watched a movie last night. The team won the game easily. Now these extra examples are to make you understand that in all these sentences we have used the second form of the verb. This is what we call the past simple tense. For example, in first sentence we have used visited, the second form of the verb. In the second sentence we have used ate, the second form of the verb eat. In the third sentence we have used the verb lost in the past form, and in the fourth sentence we have used the verb watched. This is the past form of watch. And in the last sentence we have used the past form of the verb won. This is the past form of win. Now let us discuss the exercise. Rewrite these sentences in the past simple. Tom walks in the park. Remember, this sentence is in present indefinite tense. Now you have to convert it into past simple sentence. Second one is fill in the blanks. Mr. Lee dash the door. Now in this dash you have to put the past form of the verb, and the verb in this sentence will be used, that is open. So you have to use this second form of the verb open and complete the sentence. The third one is make a sentence using refused in past simple. You have to use this verb refused in the past simple sentence, in the past simple tense, and you have to make a sentence of this word refused. The fourth one is change to past. He thanks Tom. This is the sentence in present tense. Now you have to change it to the past simple form. Past simple form and its structure and its example we learned in this story. So here you have to use this second form of the verb thanks. Number fifth is write a short past simple sentence about finding something. It means that you are finding something and you have to speak a sentence, but the sentence must be a past tense. This is the normal exercise for you. In today's video, we have discussed the past simple tense, we have discussed a story, and we have also learned different words and meanings and structures and the formula of the past structures. We have also taken extra examples, and now we have learned the exercise. Now you have to do this exercise at your home. Take care.